Let's all welcome Purple Team! Palakpakan naman dyan! Followed by a white team headed by Captain John Manamite, with the members Mr. Jose Arnel Herrera, Junior Pagan, Paul Brent Monte, Mark Deco Morete, Jay Bantuto, Herbert Eric Benito, Mabine Lumio Jr., Henry Banzuela, Renard Soriano, and Jason Petrana. With their muse, Miss Sheila Marie Gonzalez. Okay, proceed po tayo sa ating sector. Now may we call on blue team headed by Captain Ball Ryan Anthony Playal, with the members of J.R. Caguillon, Randy Cabuyo, Rex De La Cruz, Jasper Romano, Ives Banzuelo, Adam Salendem Omar Ali, Jaime Sanchez Jr., Donel Rebua, Rainier Luke Chua, and Mr. Hayare Wagli. Together with their crews, Miss Robelia A. and Tia. Calling the orange team, headed by their captain Eleazar D. Cabarangan, with member Mr. Patrick Dexter, like John Briggs Guerreros, Edward Kim, Royce Jordan Enriquez, Mr. Hubert Manag, Timothy Paul Express, Ernabe Enverga, Emmanuel Remendado, and Mr. June Balise, and with their muse, Miss Nelly Mendoza. Calling on big team, moved on with the headed by Mr. June Perez, with their members Nixon Caisip, Cedric Cueto, Renz Landicho, Mr. Robert Espino, J.D. Agua, Charlie Huba, Mr. Charlie Ignacio, Laura Loresco, Oliver Villanueva, Benedict Batur, and Mr. Jesse Caraos. Together with their muse, Miss Cherry S. Rodriguez. Calling green team, with their head captain Stanley Genson, members Mr. Serafin Lebios Jr., Julius Retalber, Rexon Diaz, Roy Rodriguez, Banjus Clem, Jim Romanalo, Mr. Renan Cajes, Kim Lawrence Mata, Mr. Jason Catandihan, and Mr. Roy Ayala. With their muse, Miss Marisa Fernandez. Now, calling yellow team, with the head by Mr. Hill Ronquillo, and their members Hill Ronquillo, June Mendoza, Carl Ernesto, Ron Agrigos, Raylan Alvizo, G-Mart Bong Baltazar, Arjun Rababo, Edwin Caceres, Mr. Joey Mananili Jr., Rogelio Catlaban, and Mr. Anthony Tampico. Together with their muse, Miss Marian Bagtaan. And last, definitely but not the least, Red Team, headed by Mr. Renatito Alzado, And with the beautiful muse, Miss Lady Alexis R. Mobilia.
Ayun.